we're going to be singing
Payphone
by
Maroon 5.
Okay, you ready?
3.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where has the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you're not here next to me.
They say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in the time that we're spending,
All of our bridges burned down. I wasted my life. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. Is your throat dry like me?
yes, it's really bad. I'm going to get a drink of water.
Can you bring me one?
Sure.
Alright.
Be back in a second.
Alright, bye. Maddie's just going to get a drink of water. Probably for my throat and hers. Oh, man. Some days. Oh, man. So. Where's Maddie? He's taking a long time.
I'm back. I need to be close to the camera.
No.
You need to be closer.
No. What the heck, Miranda? Why are you here? It's the M&M show from Melania and Maddie, not Melania and
Well,
Miranda.
today it's Melania and...
No, where did Maddie go?
Well, funny story. You don't need to know. Yeah.
What happened to Maddie?
I saw her on the kitchen.
Okay. We don't need to know that story.
I
Anyways.
need to be close to the camera. Let's
No.
People need to see my face because it's so beautiful.
No.
Oh, that's banner. Oh, that's banner.
So, are you going to keep singing like Maddie?
Wait.
We were singing.
Well, Minnie sounded really badly, so I thought that I'd take care of that, and maybe I sing so that it sounds so much better because it sounded so badly. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, what song do you want to do? I know, let's do Lighthouse by Jessie Jane.
Do you mean...
Lighthouse.
What?
You know.
You mean flashlight?
No, it's Lighthouse.
Flashlight.
Lighthouse.
Flashlight.
Lighthouse.
Flashlight. Wait, no. Why did I just get tricked into that? You naughty Miranda. Hey, you wanna sing Flashlight by Jessie J?
It's a Lighthouse by Jessie J. But anyway, look, I forgot to tell you. I have a present. Oh, look
Is that a
how
bow?
sassy that is. And a present. Okay, let's sing.
Okay, you know how it starts?
When tomorrow comes, I'll be
When
your
tomorrow
mom.
comes, I'll be on... What am I doing wrong?
That was so badly. You need to sing goodly.
Like...
When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own.
Okay, stop. Let me try.
When
When tomorrow comes, I'll be up my own. I'll be right there.
Oh, it's so much better.
When tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes.
Ooh, it's really badly, but it's getting better. Okay, let's do it from the start.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own. I'll be right know, but I don't know. When tomorrow comes, oh, when tomorrow comes, when tomorrow comes, Lighthouse. I know the road is long, I look up to the sky, and in the dark I'll found a stopping out. And I'll sing along, and I'll sing along, and I'll sing along. I come to you when I come to you when I, 'cause I look around me and see ugly lines stuck in the dark of my flashlight.
You see, it's flashlight.
No, it's on Slinghouse.
You just said flashlight. Like, you totally just admitted it.
No, it's a lighthouse.
Fine, then go think about lighthouses then.
In the distance one day I saw a lighthouse. A dirty lighthouse.
I hope you're happy, you two. You made me get stuck with her.
A dirty lighthouse. I saw right in the distance. A little
I'm gonna get that. You go and take that.
little lighthouse. Little lighthouse. It was a little lighthouse. Ooh, a lighthouse. Ooh, a lighthouse.
Okay, I think you've had enough of her. Thank you for watching this video of the M&M show with Melania and Maddie.
Miranda.
No, not Miranda.
Miranda sings. Miranda
Just
sings.
me and Maddie, not...
Miranda sings.
I better get out of here before this
Miranda
person...
sings.
She's gonna kill me.
The bird was so cuddly.